Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys, or I wanna review one of the traditional food. But before that, I want to tell you a little about this food. So this food made from the cassava. Actually, this food made from the result of the cassava fermentation. So I guess some of you guys already know the what I mean. And this, so in Bahasa, we know this food with name tape, but in my hometown, actually, this food usually we called by poteng. So let's try this. So before that, I wanna smell this poteng. Yeah. Okay, the smell like vinegar. It's sour, but it's smooth than vinegar. So let's try. Bismillah. Okay. The taste of this tape is very sweet, but just a little sour, and the texture is very smooth. Yep. And I think that's all my review about this poteng or tape. And thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.